Hello, welcome back to Living Off the Land. This episode is on how I prepare dill pickles from my farm. Okay, this is the finished product. This is a jar of pickles, and these pickles I actually grew. I actually started them from seeds. I have Boston pickling pickles, and I also have Chicago pickling pickles. But this is the final jar. This is pickle cucumbers with the seasonings are mustard seeds, dill, and I also put a hot pepper in here. Some of my customers like a little spice to the pickle. And so this is what the jar looks like after 2 weeks. Whereas this is what the jar looks like before it goes into the refrigerator. And you want it to stay in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 weeks. That's because of the spices and the garlic at the bottom. You want it to marinate into the actual pickle cucumbers. Thank you for watching. See you soon. You can comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.